Hello, E-Monkeyians! It's E-Monk here, and today we are going over my new and improved Suicide Squad Harley Quinn from the movie. Now, I did this all within a week, but it's all brand new details that I would like to show y'all, some new techniques that I've learned. And I'm also going to be posting and have this costume fully uploaded within the next 2 weeks before the movie comes out. So, you'll be getting them back to back until I get them all posted. So, have fun and enjoy the tutorial. Let's start off with the shirt. Now first you're going to cut the sleeves off of your shirt. You need to make sure that it goes down to your elbow, and then you can flip to the other side and cut it straight from there. That way they are both even. Then cut off your turtleneck if you have one, or just the collar piece, because you want the seams to not show. And also cut off the very, very bottom, just so it's all jagged and messy, just like hers. Now we are going to start taping up the shirt. Tape up everywhere that you do not want to get the red spray to get on. I used tulip spray for the top piece, considering I didn't want it to be stiff or anything, because I noticed my last shirt was very stiff. So I instead got the tulip red shot spray. It's cheap and expensive, and it works really well. One can works perfect for this. You're going to mark off the front and the back, and a little bit on the sleeves, and also make sure that you mark off where you're going to be putting your red stripes on your sleeves down there. I used a different paint for that, but you can use the tulip shot can if you want, but this is my method, and it was a lot easier, and it wasn't as stiff. So that's my recommendation to you. After you have painted your shirt, you go back, and what you're going to do is you're going to use, after you stitch the stitch work on there, like I said, you just fold it up and sew it, and you go back with a little fabric marker and drag it down. That way it looks messy and worn out, because that's the way her shirt is. You're going to do it on this, the stripes, and also use it to make the blue sleeve, and these are just tulip fabric markers that I got at Hobby Lobby, a 20-pack. Really simple. Now, I used the Tulip Red Slick actual paint, and with the sponge brush, and taped off and stretched my sleeves, that way they wouldn't be stiff, and just did the stripes and then went over it with fabric marker.
Hello everyone, meet on camera E-Monk! Now, normally in my tutorials I record everything. Well, if you're seeing this, obviously my battery either died, or I forgot to do it, or I ran out of time. One of those things, because I rebuilt this costume within a week. Yes, that's right, a week. It was insane. I put myself through literal crap. All this right here is hand stitched. All I didn't even cut the shirt, even though it looks like it. I just pinched it and did loops all the way around, very messily, like she just got done doing combat and is working on the field. Same thing here. I use sandpaper for the holes. All you do is rub it up against it. And I did the same thing here. I pinched it, and one of them, I connected the hole somewhere. Oh, right here. Ha! Right there. Sorry, I'm really hyper. And then I got the blue left sleeve. Got on the back because I haven't seen her back yet. So once I see her back, and if she has holes and stuff in it, I could just go back and do that too. So that one's a to be continued, if it is a to be continued. But ta-da! That's the shirt, and this is just an iron-on transfer. I have the template in the description, and it's already pre-reversed for you, so all you have to do is just literally print it out onto the transfer paper. Just make sure you use photo settings on your printer, and it will come out beautifully. Alrighty. And follow the instructions on that iron transfer paper. Do that, because if you don't, it's going to peel, and then it's going to look horrible. And as far as washing instructions for that one, all you do is just, you can throw it in the washer, inside out. There's these things that you can get for bras and stuff like that, I actually just go to the Dollar Tree and grab one of those mesh bags, and I wash my costumes in that now. You wash it separately, put it in the mesh bag, throw it in there on delicate cycle, and use a clear detergent or baby detergent, something that will be gentle on it. And I would not recommend putting it in the dryer due to the iron-on transfer thing, because it'll sit there and crisp and stuff, so you want to let it hang dry overnight. So there's washing instructions on that. I'm going to show you the let's go with the shirt. Shirt sounds fun, right? Yeah, okay. And it's like 90 degrees outside. Turn it inside out, well, right side out, I mean.